Ningombam Sunita has displayed sheer dominance in master athletics in above 40-year category in the country. She has bagged many medals in various state and national championships. In the recently concluded first International Invitation Masters Athletics Championship 2024, which was held at Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh, Ningombam Sunita bagged 3 gold medals in 3 athletic events. However, the shining story of the athlete in the athletic arena takes a dark turn at our home front, where she struggles by doing odd jobs to support her family. SKTV News sports journalist Hodam Nilachandra brings you an exclusive report. Take a look. Ningombam Sunita is the eldest daughter of late N. Faijao and N. Dasumati of Sabungkop Awanglekai. She has been fond of sports since childhood. However, she couldn't pursue sports as career due to poor condition of her family. She tied nuptial knot with Waikom Angosana of Konta Kabam Hebong Makong in 2002. They have a daughter and 2 sons. In 2017, she finally got the chance to pursue her childhood dreams of becoming an athlete as she started training with coach Soman, and since then, she never looked back and secured many medals in both state and national level competitions. She is matchless in her age group in 5,000 meters race, 1,500 meter race, and 800 meter race. However, at the home front, she struggles to make ends meet as she takes up odd jobs to make a living.
So I show Hazira Chale, Panga Panga have a tree, Lagunia, Tabo, so the Adam have the Aina Chana, but Mangi Bagi, Puto was who say, Carmito, Putani, Havagi Wakanda, home lady by Ibungipa, I Rekai, at the Chung Club Mangane, Madapa Vine, at the Ibungipa, I tasing, I learned to Chanderaga, I am Mamma Pachamasin Pandragaso. I tell them like under the money, Matin Pibiras, I yum the Igi Menanaba Tamam, the Basuya, the Vanina, I Tabingham Chubanumba. Talaga yung the Milamaga, my Pibira Papa Shadana, I Chana on the Tadazaraga, I think my Papa Proctabi, and they have a Wakalonda, like the Ichazumu, like Tamnaba Honabada, Awabam Suide, Hoji, I didn't pass for documentic Wazare, I show Magi Mananga Pawai Commander, a Kumbanzu Kandre, Nanga Zaliba, Nanga Chita, Naragadu, Zalibu, Conchachida Nanga, Internet Sningy Zali, Nankari. Tabak Pangadori Branang, Ibimanana Taliba Tabachibo, in the Hobani Hindale, Carmina, Migamiman, and Abba Pugana, Naziki, Hina, and the Kubam Kandre, I show Sana to Mamana Pami, Poto Zalo Pare, was one night, Milam Sanupa, Sanupi, and Sanupa, Yamgana, Mujima Pagata, with Timaga, and told me in Tabak, upon was Furaga, Isana, Mayamaga, Tain Napatale, the Girang Tade. Isana Pina School Tamna Mandosagi Kiss Hender that was our way but jelly.
And Sunita not only excel in 5,000 meter, 1,500 meter, and 800 meters race, she has also bagged medal accolades in national level powerlifting events. She has so far bagged many medals, including 25 gold medals in district, state, national and international events. However, the medals she has received representing the state and country have not managed to give her a life of comfort as she struggles to keep the fire in the kitchen burning.
I know I didn't know I would not Karino, Sila Kamazatuga, Nekaramba. Nekaramba, see, I do I jump at the Padre did more in Tara than I Yamustaba Malane. Bangladesh, ne, Sila Kamazane, Satiskar Mazane, Adekela Mazane. Yaw never, Aleda, Hyderabad Mazane. I got a quick toxic in every two. Spend the kind of in never get. Come Sidarine, 스파이스가이네. 인가보니 농사 얌사이 농사 사오지 몸이 얌나이. 그지 시기 끊어지요. 까말레기요. 동안다더라. 아메스톨리펀이나 동안다. 또 신나질러도 강해봐. 그럼다. 사비부터 아두가 사가도 동 마쁜 따라 따람다. 이제 젤rellam니 까지 오더랴. 내 탁더니 젤리지. 짠나 나보기 पैसा지 थिन 나보지 까라이디 लौदोइनो नाइ वाखन खंद्रा इ यां वाइदा खंगदेदा हदकी इंटरनेशनल चना फोनबदा अदुके मति यां वागीबा अदु वा मदुंजे गदरे हाउजिदे वादरेबा पोसिमा परामिना थबो मचा अंतंग बिरदि ai इचाजिंजे के हिंबदा खतंग कनो तगदरा सेमबा ngangudra khaleba
Had all our gold medals could be valued as real gold, the athlete Sunita could be living the life she deserves. This is Victoria Rajkumari for Hadam Nilachandra, SKTV News.